In this video, we're going to take a look at how we use the discounts that we previously set up. If you recall, we've set up discount classes, and we've also set up tiered quantity discounts. To start, we'll use tiered quantity. So we go to create an invoice, and we set up two types of discount, one that applied to our transient customers if and only if they exceeded 500 gallons. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead and add fuel to the ticket. I will pick Jet Truck 1. And since this is the first time Jet Truck 1 has been used, I have to enter a beginning meter reading. And I'm going to add 200 gallons on each side to make this easy to manage the math at this point. Notice the 200. Submit that. If you recall, on the any customer discount, nothing would happen until we reached 500 gallons. So right now we're at 200 gallons. I'm going to go ahead and add a third line of fueling to demonstrate how the tiered quantity constantly re-examines the total quantity on the ticket to see whether or not we need to add that amount to the ticket. So at this point we would be at 500. I'm going to go ahead and add 400 gallons of fuel, which should kick us into the first tier. And it did. We are now at a 25-cent discount all the way down through here. If you recall, we were at 750 total gallons. We're at 600 right now. At 750, the discount would then kick into the next tier. So I will use that to demonstrate, and we'll add another 400 gallons to make sure we make it. And our discounts once again changed. So using the tiered quantity discount for any customer showed up because we just leave that blank. The second tiered quantity discount we set up was one for a customer that we call discount quantity for demonstration purposes. And again, this one actually kicked in at a lower tier. It was at 200 gallons. So I will show that just by adding 125 gallons per side, 250 total gallons, and our discount kicked in. That demonstrates our tiered quantity discounts. Let's take a quick look at the discount classes that we set up. If you recall, one of those was for our favorite customer. I believe this was I'm going to use a standard pick list here to retrieve the customer, and it was for jet fuel. If I recall, it was a constant price or at a amount per gallon, and that one was at constant price, $3 per gallon. So as you can see, the reason we take the time and effort to set up discounts ahead of time is so that our CSRs do not have to look at, quote unquote, the book at the front counter and know how to apply or what to do for a particular discount. And that's a quick overview of discounting in FBO Director.